Well, hello boys and girls. Shaggy with Springline Boat Detailing here. And this is my winter project. 1957 Crestliner 18-foot Voyager. This used to be the postal boat in the 60s for Lake Pend Oreille, North Idaho. I am the third owner of this boat. When the postman retired, the Postal Service gave this boat to the postman. In the late 80s, it was sold to a gentleman, and he's had it since I've bought it now, and he did a lot of extensive work on it. Just today, I picked up a windshield. This was a quarter mile down the street from my house, from my friend's 1956 Chris Craft. It fits almost perfect. It's a little wide, but it will bend. It will bend like halfway right here. Okay, and that's fine. I could live with that. You know, guys, how hard it is to find these windshields. This one was free. All right. One thing you'll notice, custom bow rail. Now I've got all the wood. I've got my bench seats all cut out and stained up. We've got 3 bench seats. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a pedestal seat right here for the dashboard. Now you guys are gonna notice, like, oh my God, that guy's got a 15-gallon gas can in the front of the boat, which is amazing. It's got the fuel thing right here. We've got a vent, and the reason for that is because this 1978 Mercury 700, 70 horsepower, has a jet on it. That's right, boys and girls, we got ourselves a jet boat. Now, the cool thing about this, now I picked up the motor and the boat and everything for 1,500 bucks. The motor comes with the lower unit for a prop. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a 5-inch jack plate right here, and in 30 minutes, I'll be able to switch out from jet to prop. As you can see, that is a custom transom that the second owner actually built. It's got a notch for a kicker, for a trolling motor, and I'll do something with that. The transom is bomber. This guy, rubberized paint, everything's rubberized with the wood and all that. I'm gonna clean up these stupid lines right here and all that. You know, that's all petty stuff. But this is what we got going on. We got flooring, rubberized flooring. I'm gonna do probably teak slats on this section of the flooring right here. Make that really nice, okay? My wife found a 1950s cooler that matches the boat perfectly. I mean, this thing is so cool. I did a little bit of polishing, you know. It's not quite a mirror yet, but it's getting close. It's getting close. You know, I got the right stuff for that. Original trailer. Trailer's in great shape. So I used a 1/2-inch Baltic birch 9-ply for all of my wood. It's a lot lighter than the 3/4-inch marine grade. I've been making longboard skateboards for the past 30 years, so I stuck with wood that I knew. I stained it gray, or as my wife says, silver. These are it's just stained right now. I'm gonna put a nice coat of lacquer, or like 10 coats of lacquer on that. My dashboard, I'm working on the dashboard right now. Got that all cut out. Kind of a custom design.